Bombo Ayan Gahete. Sa sining nga matinion ka Bombo, umpisan na naton nga topiko sa aton nga segment nga Ilonggo for Gold. May isa ka Ilonggo nga graduate sang Mechanical Engineering sa Iloilo Science and Technology University sang damlag lang pero grabe ni nga mga selebrasyon Bombo Gisa kay after sang graduation may isa pagid ka blessing nga nagabot sa iya pagod isa sa napilian nga magatiglawas sang Pilipinas sa International Astronautical Federation Congress dito sa may Turkey sa palabuton nina nga bulan sang Oktubre. Out of ginatos man nga mga nag-apply, so napilian ang duwa lang sa ilang napilian ang isa halin sa De La Salle University and ang isa halin sa Iloilo Science and Technology University. And ari diri sa subong to share man sang iyang mangin exciting journey ano iyang preparasyon para sa pagtiglawas niya sa Pilipinas sa sininga international event. Welcome nato subong aga diri sa Good Morning Philippines si future mechanical engineer Dave Gomarang. Sir Dave, good morning. Welcome sa Good Morning Philippines with Bombo Ayan and Bombo Gisa. Happy Sunday, sir, and congratulations.
Good morning everyone. Good morning Bombo Ayan, Bombo Gisa. Kag thank you man sa pag-invite sa amon diri sa Bombo Radio Iloilo.
Thank you so much, good sir, sa pagkatuan pag-share sa imong mga story sa amon subong aga. Congratulations, good.
Thank you.
Sa energy ni Sir Do, pareho sa energy akong mag-jogging sa
Sa
Diversion Road.
Sige, kaupod ba natin diri, gina-welcome man natin diri sa studio sang Bombo Radio Iloilo, halin sa Space Society sang Iloilo Science and Technology University. Ang co-advisor, we have Ma'am Rosana R. Doreza. Mama, yung aga, welcome to the program.
Good morning, Bombo Gisa and Bombo Ayan. Thank you for inviting us for this morning's interview.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Rosana. And now we have ang Vice President sa Iloilo Science and Technology University Space Society, si future mechanical engineer man, Carlos Jose Rivera. Sir, good morning. Welcome sa Good Morning Philippines with Bombo Ayan and Bombo Gisa.
Good morning man sa mga kabombo, sa Kuya Bombo Jessica and Kuya Bombo Ayan. Mayong agad si tanan.
If you need space, kanto mo sa Space Society. Sige, Sir Dave, bago ka lang nag-graduate, subong lang bulan sang Hulyo, anong feeling subong after graduation? Another blessing ang nabato nimo nga itiglawas mong Philippines sa sining international event, Sir Dave?
Pareho man sang ginambal ni Ma'am Sakon niya daw mas grabe pa ni sa kaysa nag-Latin honor ko upon graduation kay very prestigious gud nga award ang ining IAF Emerging Space Leaders no.
Congratulations gid sa bilog nga ISETU community. Kinalahon tanay dugang sa Sir Dave, taga diin gid ikaw?
I'm from Mina, Iloilo, good sir, from Iloilo Province.
Diin sa Mina.
Sa Barangay Tularucan, ma'am, and I live sa city when I was in ISETU sa La Paz.
Ay, oo. Ay.
Because of pututan. Gato pa dayo ang minaw.
Oo, sige. Ang imo nga mga eskwelahan subong prior sa may ISETU, proud gid sa imo din ikaw naghalian
Yes,
nga mga bulutuan.
I took my elementary sa Mina Central School and high school sa junior high school sa Mina National High School, and ang senior high school ko sa Central Philippine University, and for my undergraduate sa Iloilo Science and Technology University, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Sir Dave, by the way, sa imo nga bahin niya nga mechanical engineering ng imo nga gintapos.
Sang ara ko sa high school, actually, ang akong gid interest is ara sa computer. Pero throughout sang high school journey, ko na-realize ko nga daw, wala ko na-imagine self ko mag-work in front of the computers all day, all night. Though nag-meet ako sang something I can work my hands on with. Kag though gusto nga workplace someday hands-on with bala. So, muna doon naisip ko mag-engineering. Then, I chose mechanical engineering man kaya ang daw pinaka-target in the future is maging aerospace engineering. And taking mechanical engineering, it would provide me some fundamentals knowledge nga kag skills man para mag-proceed sa aerospace engineering, sir.
Wow, tapos pag-graduate bang ba insigida ari na ang opportunity dayon. Pero may engineer na sa inyong family perhaps, sir?
Wala pa. And I'm the first man sa family nga makagraduate sa college, ma'am.
Amazing. So, pila ka mo ka mag-utod, sir?
Mag-utod, may ara ko duha ka brothers and ako ang pinaka-agot. Then ako lang man ang nag-graduate sa college, which my parents gido very happy gid sila kay do ako gid ang pinaka-ginahulat-hulat nga maka-graduate kaya makabawi man sa akon nga mga brothers, sir.
Okay. Sige, thank you so much, Gid. Sir Dave. Kay Sir, Sir Carlos. Ikaw, Sir Carlos, ang imong ginpili, mechanical engineering. Fan ikaw ni Sir Dave? Sir Carlos.
Ka-fan ni Dave, dumduman kapag isang first year when we started the ISAT Space Society. Ang gabi nga ato ngaging message ako sa Messenger nga kung ma-join gid ko bala sa iya nga organisasyon because ginatukod niya gid ni sa university the first time. And at the same time as being a pioneer member sang ISAT Space Society, we are very proud nga kung sa diin ang amon nga founder, diri muni na gid ang amon na abtan sang amon nga founder kag happy gid kami sa ISAT Space Society.
Ano na imo gali nga year, sir?
I'm currently incoming 4th year po sa ISAT-U.
Oo, ang mechanical engineering,
Yes.
4-year program na siya?
Yes po.
Okay. Ikaw, taga din ikaw?
Actually, ma'am, originally taga Capiz ako but nakapasar ako sa ISAT, I took the opportunity naman to study here in Iloilo.
Din ikaw gid sa Capiz?
Taga Pontevedra po ako. Pontevedra, Capiz.
Ay, grabing malimaw. Sa
Oo.
Ginalaw-lao ko gani kay na. May dala sa limaw.
Si Ma'am Razana, fresh na fresh gid ini gali ang ISAT-U Space Society. Ano gid ini siya, ma'am, nga organization?
Actually, I met them in 2023
Yes.
when I organized a conference on climate action for students. No? And these two, very aggressive gina sila, no? Because right after the conference, nagambal sila nga, ma-collaborate kita. Hambal ko, sino ka mo? And then they said, we are the ISAT-U Space Society. Okay, I do understand, no? Because I'm a physics teacher. So, naintindihan ko ang tinutuyo, sining mga gwapo, gani, no? And so, I said, so what can we do? How can we collaborate? And so, immediately, we actually did a proposal for April 2024. We were planning to do a remote sensing content at ISAT-U, pero wala to natabo kay nag-spike ang heat index, no? So wala to natabo. And so after that was August 2024, we have an invitation from the Philippine Space Society, Philippine Space Agency, no? The PhilSA, our space agency in the Philippines. We have an invitation for an international conference. Okay, so I tried my best. I brought them to Manila for like 3 days of conference, and I think nag-open up ang ilang universe, no? With regards to astronomical and remote sensing. And I think they were so inspired with what they have seen in that particular conference. It's called the ISPRS 2024, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And from there on, at the unstoppable na sila, no? They were doing activities left and right to popularize space education, especially with the younger broods, no? So they went to some elementary schools in Guimaras.
Yes.
Yes, and they went to a high school in Leganes or Saraga.
Saraga.
Yeah. Yeah, and every time there is a space event with PhilSA, because PhilSA is popularizing space education, space science application. Yeah, these guys would do some proposals. No? And my role as a faculty member, and at tigini mo na lang ko nilang ako advisor. No? Siling ko, hindi nyo ko pagimo ang advisor because I am already the head of the Environment and Climate Change Program of the university. Being an advisor of another organization, that would be too much for me.
Yes.
Siling ko, sige,
You need
ako,
space.
ako advisor na lang ako because I do like your advocacy on space education and space science application. I understand it very well because I am in the science area, no? And so from there on, they have so much activity. Like I remember we were able to invite Dr. Reynabel Reyes. Yeah, the first
Renowned astrophysicist.
renowned astrophysicist in the Philippines. Now, so email lang si Dave, and then after a few months, Reynabel is already with us. And then last year, January 2025, yeah, we were able to collaborate with the Philippine Space Agency in the International Conference on Land Use, Land Cover, which was actually held in Richmond for 3 days. And the rest of the workshop, it was held at ISAT-U. And what is good about that conference is that we have NASA experts
Wow.
coming to ISAT-U. And these guys were able to engage with them face to face, So they were able to access the email of these experts, no? And then from there on, ayun na, no? Doon na sila sa LinkedIn, email na sila. You know, if you have these opportunities to engage with experts, you really have to, you know,
Email
strike
them.
while the iron is hot.
Wow, what a good start,
Seize
no?
the opportunities, no?
Oh. And
Yeah.
to think nga bago pa lang no ang inyong organization. Sir Dave, naaambugid ni ka-aggressive ang start sang inyong organization.
I feel like sa passion man sang each members, kag sa support man sang amon advisor kag co-advisor. And I want to share lang a little history sang nag-meet kami ni Ma'am kag ni Carlos.
Yes,
And
yes.
back in my first year man, I was planning to make this organization, but it was second year nga nadayon siya. And during that time, first year si Carlos, and excuse me, and some time ito, nag-scout ko members. And I saw Carlos, he's into planes, aircraft, though ang interest niya aragid sa related sa space. So, amo tong the night man na nag-message ko sa iya, if you want to be a pioneer member, then syempre during that time, very challenging. Gid kay maobra ka sa space organization sa university nga wala man space program,
Yes, exactly.
wala man equipments, wala man prior knowledge. So, though high risk gid sa nga at first though mapathink kagid nga is it practical, is it doable kay as someone nga here sa Philippines kag di pa gid mo naka-popular ang space education there sa Philippines, that ang nang gina-try naman work on nga the more we bring it to communities, the more we talk about it, the space become more reachable as compared to before. And also kay Ma'am Doreza, like she said, sang primary days pa lang sang ISS, like 3 months in pa lang kami sa ISS, he conducted a meeting with student organization, and there nakilala naman si Ma'am. And after sang meeting ito, damo may follow-up story ni Ma'am. Doon nakita mo naman niya very interested man si Ma'am sa amon, kaya she saw the vision man sa amon niya organization. And from then on, doon nagtaas ng amon niya trajectory, kay grabe ang support ni Ma'am sa amon sa school in terms of when we have programs or mga activities nga gusto obrahon, agad si Ma'am permit to support kag siya gatulod sa amon sa admin sa ISAT kay para suportahan gid ang amon ginapang-obra sa organization, sir.
Oh, okay, sige. Si Sir Carlos, sir, paki-summarize ang ginhambal nilang
Lihog lang, sir.
Pero by the way, Sir
But I
Carlos,
like that bumpo. Ayan, no? The
Oo.
space is more reachable na
Yes, doable.
Oh, pagi sa nga mga space education. And they're here, upod sa aton.
oh. And by the way, Sir Carlos, pila kamo diri ang mga members mo sang sining Space Society?
So ang members sir sang sang ISAT Space Society as of now is less than 50. So it is a grupo ini siya sa mga like-minded people nga kung sa diin may interesado gid sa space education, sa space technology, kag ang pagpalaptas ini sa general public, you know, kay muna gid ang main goal sang amon nga organization.
Hindi pa sa required nga kinahanglan ang ginakuha mo nga degree program, mechanical engineering.
Hindi.
Lain pwede gid.
Pwede gid because it is also one of the things nga amon na found out no during our expedition sa kung sa din mo na seminar nga ang space or in general ang space is not just for engineers, hindi lang ni siya pwede hindi lang ni siya exclusive sa aton mga scientist. So, maskin ano pa na da imo nga profession, there's always a space for you,
Yeah.
no? May aragid sang lugar nga kung interesado ka sa muna nga field, you can always, you can find your space.
Ang mga may problema sa relasyon.
Pwede ka
There's
na.
always a space for you. Oo. Sino to ang dala nyo halin sa NASA? Basta sa ano to, Bambaan? Like Reed Wiseman, sa Artemis 2. Sino to inyong dala sa Iloilo?
They are scientists. They're not astronauts. They are
Joke lang, ma'am.
scientists. Can we mention a few names?
We have also already, pero we have the one that visited us, they are all scientists, kumaga sa pag-usar sang satellite data. So they are the one that explained to us kung ano ang mga applications sini, not just in the environment,
Yes,
urban
nice.
planning, kung ano man dira.
Oo.
And in ISAT Space Society, we are also, in the, we have also the goal of, spreading it in the general public.
When
Yeah.
was that, sir?
Yes po.
When was that?
It was during,
2025.
2025 po.
January.
January
2025.
2025.
Oo.
Mm-mm.
Can I
Yes, ma'am.
augment what he said?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. At Isatyu Space Society, we're actually going in two directions. No? One direction is popularizing space education. That is what Dave is doing, going into communities. No? Okay, telling the communities what is space and how do we take advantage of space product. Well, the other direction is on space application, space technology applications. So one of this is on remote sensing, no?
Yes.
Gathering data through satellite, and that is actually what Carlos is doing. And we have, we are very proud of what we have attained at this point in time because we have already done it's a preliminary output on the land cover of Maasin, no, for like 15 years. So Maasin watershed, it's a very, very important area because much of the water that we need in Iloilo City actually still comes from the Maasin watershed. And so knowing what is happening, no, in the land cover of Maasin is very important. So we're able to do that using satellite data, and the data spans for like 15 years. 2015 to 2010 to 2025. And another thing that I am very proud of this group is that they always engage in the NASA,
PhilSA.
the NASA Space
App Challenge.
Challenge, no?
Okay.
The NASA Space App Challenge, and di man isla mawigit kay in 2024.
2025.
No, the dengue is
2024.
2024. So they are like honorable mention ba?
Ma'am.
And hindi lango-lango niya, that's like 12,000 entries all over the
Wow.
world, no? And if you are chosen as one of the 100 honorable mention, that's already good. And the initiative is on the mapping of dengue risk area in Iloilo City. Yeah, the same research was also presented in the National Conference of the Philippine Meteorological Society just recently, March 2026, no? And just a week ago, we were at Cabalaka.
Yes,
We presented the initiative on the urban heat island, no? Carlos was able to do all the maps.
Wow.
Yeah, all the maps, no? So utilizing satellite data. So we are going into remote sensing, and I think remote sensing using satellite data would be the new normal for accessing, research data. Yun na yun. But Dave's work is also very important, no? Because you need to encourage young minds to go into space science,
Yes.
space technology. Because in the Philippines, you see, our space ecosystem is not that good compared to our.
It's growing.
It's growing,
initial
no? But
stages.
we cannot at this point. We are not at par
Ah.
with many of our neighbors. So,
Correct.
we need to encourage young minds to go into space engineering, astronomy, maybe meteorology,
Yes.
which ISAT is now offering the BS
Yes.
Meteorology program.
Yes. Saan
Because
nagiging
these
launch,
are
ma'am?
not very popular programs, no? These are not very popular programs. So we need to have more students in this program.
Though recently lang na, no? This
February,
year
I
lang na,
think.
no?
February?
Gin-offer, ma'am?
Gin-launch?
Subong lang. Our first enrollees will be this coming August
Okay.
2026. Like
So silang-
46 of them.
First
I
batch
think
gid
it's the
sila.
first in the
Yeah,
region,
first
ma'am, no?
batch.
The first in Western
Yes,
Visayas?
the BS Metrology program of ISATU is the first in the region, and we are only the 5th university in the Philippines
Wow.
offering such degree program. No? And well,
Interesting.
with that initiative, I think we can push forward with, we can continue what Dave is doing,
Mhm.
and then we can have more individuals, no, young and old and whatever,
Mm-mm.
moving into remote sensing.
Oo. Makitaan mo na sa mga comments, Bombo Ay, no?
Yes.
Ang hindi pa aware ang mga Filipinos, ang netizens, kung may space agency man, ang yung Philippines,
Yes.
may mga amo na bala, kinahanglan pa ang masangkaduga nga mga impormasyon. How challenging ang imong nga job, Sir Dave, nga, mangita sa mga people nga interested man sa amo nga naabagay, or kung wala man sila interest, at least mapukaw mo ilang nga interest sa space education.
As to add more sa point ni Ma'am Kagina, no, one of our advocacy man sa ISATU Space Society is to spread the practical applications ng space nga. Magambal ta space, most of the people mahambal. It's all about rockets, it's all about astronaut, but we don't realize nga ang space science and technology applications nag-affect sa aton everyday lives, like ang mga technologies na ginagamit naton
GPS.
subong. Those are technologies man nga na-develop tungod sa development sa space back then. Isa ka example na lang ang solar panels. Ang solar panels was developed during that back then. It was used only para sa satellites. Kasi syempre ang mga satellites and spacecraft sa space, they need a source of energy. And one of those innovation is among yung mga solar panels, which we use today in our daily lives man.
Yes.
Kag very on trend man sa mga solar panels, kay nagamahal naman ang aton yung kuryente, and that's one
Mapuslan
developed
mo gid saya.
technologies nga naghalin man sa innovation sa space.
Oo, amo ng mga recommendation and suggestion. Bomba, ayun lang kita mo itong pag-umpisa sa giyera sa may
Oo.
Middle East. O,
Yes.
nagtimbuok ang presyo sang gatong, nagka-energy crisis, naguluwa-liwat ang amo sina nga mga suggestion. Bomba, ayun.
Yes. Sige. Kato kita subong sa ining pagtiglawas ni Sir Dave sa Pilipinas sa International Astronautical Congress. Sir, paano ikaw nangin kabahin diri? Paano ikaw naka-apply?
Actually, ang nabalaan ko ang IAC last year. And during that time, IAC will be held sa Sydney, Australia. And during that time, gin-open up ko man kay ma'am, gusto ko mag-join sini. Ginambalan ko na ma'am, process na sang passport mo.
Yes.
So that
Passport
time,
daw
nag-process
na.
ko dahil sa
Passport.
So that time, nag-process ko dahil sa passport,
Passport.
even though wala ka magikabalo kung di ka makuha sa kwarta para sa muna ako travel.
Oo.
So that time, in-encourage ko ni ma'am nga makuha ng passport para anytime mag-abot ang mga muning opportunities,
Yes.
mga international engagements, ready na to fly.
Mm.
And that time, syempre kay wala pa kami kabalogid sang wait sang event nga mo gindi sa gali at ako. And during that time do gin-cancel na lang namon ang Sydney, Australia.
Yes.
And during this year lang nag-start ang applications for the IAC sang January, and nag-deadline is January 30. And on the same day man ko nag-submit sa akon, nag-complete sa akon application
Deadline mismo.
during that time deadline mismo. During that time, di ko sure kung dayonon ko wala kay knowing dako-dako ang scope, like bilog nga kalibutan, expected niya damo-damo magpasa, and very competitive gina kay they are considering students and young professionals man. And that was January 30, and ang deadline, and also I submitted my abstract para sa presentation. Kay for you to be able na mag-join sa conference, you need to have an accepted presentation for the event. And medyo dugay-dugay pa nga akong paghulat sa results, do nadula na sa mind ko gani kay during that time nag-eskwela pa man ko and graduating, so very busy gid.
Yes.
And that was late April, nabalaan ang nag-send sang notification letter sa email. And I can still remember sang nag-notify ng letter, daupad ko pa tong akong classmates, doon nag-celebrate kami to that night. And nakibot lang sila ng gulpin ang nagsinggit na nagtumutumbo. Ay, during that time, though, very unexpected, gid kag though low gid ang probability sa isip ko nga ma-accept ang amo to nga application. And during that time, very happy man gid ko kag though at first do wala wag sink in kay wala ka balo kung ano mo i-expect kag kung ano ang imong i-look forward sa mga nga event, sir.
Sa actually bintaha kung sa deadline ka na nagapasa mo isa. Dapat rin na sa mga papers wala
Hindi,
kung sino uli pasa.
Ikaw na.
Aras babaw. So,
Very true.
Ma'am, si Ma'am Dereza, ma'am,
Yes.
may ara pa ka mo mga former students nga, nag-try man nga mag-sulod sa mga amo ni nga prestihoso gid nga Congress.
Personally, ako, wala, no? Because, I don't know anybody, no? That's why nga, believe ko sa mga bata nga ni, no?
Oo.
Because maybe they are computer savvy. So, they scour the internet for like international conference where they can present their output, no? So, in the past, I have very good students. Latin honors man to sila, no? Oo. Pero daw wala ako sa madumduman at this point in time as somebody who really attempted to do this particular initiative, no? And when like students like Dave and Carlos, they know what they want, no? So they pursue their passion, and then they find ways to grow, no? And then look around them and find out who else can help. So I think these are the kind of students that we need to produce, no? So that they can, what we need, not only in the Philippines, but I think worldwide, no, to put solutions to many of our concerns and problems are individuals who have the creativity.
Yes.
Yeah, to do things differently, no? To do things differently to solve an existing concern or an existing issue.
Okay.
So, amo na ang makinanglan tani nga i-produce sa
Yes,
mga
yes.
universities, no?
Yes.
Sige.
Thank you so much,
Kay
ma'am.
Sir
Kay
Carlos
Carl.
naman. Amo mo, Jisa?
Oo. What does this mean para sa inyong organization? Kasi siyempre graduate na si Sir
Sir Dave.
Dave o ang inyong founder. Tapos sabi ko, man founder yati dito sa International Astronautical Congress. Tapos kamo dira ang bilin and kumbaga ang job sa inyo nga mapadamo naman ng mga interested sa space education. Anong bugat sini para sa inyo, sir?
Well, to be frank, no, medyo pressured man kami. But at the same time, proud gid kami sa amon nga organization nga, well, hindi permi gini sa amon ginahambal nga Dave nga hindi lang niya iya nga own nga achievement but as a whole. And at the same time, para balik man namon sa amon nga founder, we will continue kung ano ang iyaging instilo sa amon, i-continue namon ang iya mga inisyatibo kagang mga bagay nga importante sa organization. So we are striving to continue the legacy nga gimbilin niya sa amon.
Yes, ma'am.
I think there's already a spin-off because you organize also the Iloilo Space Organization. So I think a group of students also from other universities, including Dave, no?
Yes.
They organize already a space organization for Iloilo. It's called the Iloilo Space Organization.
Yes, sir.
So nagbata na ang Isatyo Space Society, no?
Ma'am.
I don't know.
Yes,
Bali,
sir.
right now we have the Iloilo Space Organization pero hindi pa gid sa official gid, but
Ah.
we are already scouting mga interested man. Iloilo Space Organization was born sa idea nga kay during our outreach programs or activities naman in Isatyo Space Society, mag-public engagement kami, mayroon agad mga tao pamangkot, are you open sa other schools? So do you allow
Yes.
students from other universities? So daw mo gid ang pinaka-reason na I established ang Iloilo Space Organization para ma-welcome man ng other passionate students from other universities. And right now, mayroon kami members from University of San Agustin, Central Philippine University, and ara pa man lang sa initial stage ang amon organization, subong. So, bale, after Isatyo Space Society, I'm continuing my mission sa Iloilo Space Organization.
Wow. Maamot-amot lang bombo ayan.
Oo.
Dito sa IAF bala, sir,
ma'am.
ano gid na to ang matabo kung ara na ikaw dito sa may Congress? Anong imo i-present?
Bali, ang IAC is the largest conference sa space. Bali, dra na ang gatipon ang tanan niya space professionals worldwide, including mga astronauts, mga policymakers, mga scientists, engineers. Kaya during that time, amon yung conference nga, they discuss mga recent breakthroughs or kung anong mga bag-o sa space subong, kag kung ano ang maging space in the future. Bali, dira gina-discuss nila ang mga recent innovation, kag gina-present man, kag gina-network man from other people sa other nations man kay ang IAF, it's very inclusive man, and right now they have more than 80 countries na nag-participate with over 10,000 participation every year. And every year ang locations ng IAC yan nag-change siya. Last year was Sydney, Australia. This year is Antalya, Turkey. And next year, sila sa Poznan, Poland. So, sang nabalaan ko sa Poland next year, ang ko, I wish next year na lang ako na-submit. Gina-look forward to get magkadto sa lugar yung may snow. So, and very lucky man, sa IAC, I'm looking forward man to meet more astronauts, kag mga policy makers, kag mga scientists and engineers nga mga beneficial man sa akong future career someday. Kay number one, gid na gina-look forward ko sa IAC is to network gid sa other nga nations, sir.
Hindi na pwede ka sulit sa raw. Basi kung pwede man.
Pwede lain naman nga
paper.
study.
Pwede gid.
Pwede.
Pero ang one consideration ng bumbayan is ang gasto. Kaya medyo magastos and lucky lang ko subong kay these IAF Emerging Space Leaders grant program ni siya, which is to scholar ang mga potential nga nag-apply, then they will be fully funded to travel and to present their works sa IAC. And this year, 40 young professionals and students ang gin-accept sa program. And looking back sa past years, dati 10 lang, 20, 30, and right now dako sila to 40, and they hoping man in the future mas madamo pagid ang ilang mas sponsor to join this event. And looking man sa mga pools ang awardees this year, though very humbled man ko kay ang mga upod kito mga leaders sa ilang space agency, mayroon to mga aircraft pilot, mayroon to mga scientist, mayroon nga mga doctor na or naka-PhD students na. So though very humbling gid sa kay ako estudyante lang ko bago lang ako graduate, though mapa-reflect sa self mga like lucky enough gid to be in that pool of young professionals and students.
That's very good, no? So, may fund para sa inyong accommodation, expenses, sa inyong travel, tanan, sir?
Yes, ma'am. This program grants the participants or the awardees the fully funded participation, including ang hotel, accommodation, and everyday expenses, and also airfare nga, which is ang munagidang pinakamahal siguro sa mga galastuson, sir.
How about ang upod mo to, nga taga De La Salle? Do you have an idea ano to nga program, Iyaya?
Ang upod ko sa La Salle is Miss Donna Beatrix Marabe. She is a Bachelor of Science and Master in Mechanical Engineering sa De La Salle University. Actually, si Miss Donna, very active man ni when it comes sa space there sa Philippines. Kaya doon nagkakitaan naman kami in the past activities within the space community man there sa Philippines, sa Philippine Space Week. And looking at her track record man when it comes to space, more on the research side si Miss Donna, and she also founded a rocketry team sa Ilaman sa De La Salle. So, yes, ma'am.
So, paano Sir Dave? Anong preparasyon mo kay ti tatlo to pila ka adlaw ikaw kinahanglan
10 days, sir.
10 days so kinahanglan maging memorable man, not only experience mo during the Congress kundi sa mga tion man nga pwede ikaw maka-meet with the locals dito. Ano tuon ka na subong kung paano maghambal in Turkish?
Yes, sir. That's one thing gitang una ko after right knowing sang na-accept ko is nag-download ko sang Duolingo. So every day nag-try ko practice Turkish and other language man kay para mas maka-communicate and maka-network well from people from other countries, sir.
Wow, sige, let's try.
Merhaba.
Merhaba. Yes, sir.
Wow.
But
Yung pamangkot, yung naka-research na siya.
Nakapa-Turkey ko one time.
Nag-attend ka man sa Congress?
Nag-attend ka man? Nadamgo lang. May tinaga ko nga nadumduman ko isa. Anong iban nga mga lingua, anong iban nga mga words nga natunan mo na, sir?
Or phrases?
So, merhaba, günaydın, mga basic words lang na kayo sa low-level stage pa lang pa sa Duolingo, sir.
May ano ka pa, sir,
May pa.
Ano sa July, August, September?
So,
Sige.
anong, para sa imo, sir, anong kahulugan being produkto man sa Iloilo Science and Technology University and sa bilog ng Pilipinas, duwa lang gid ka po, isa from De La Salle, isa from ISATU ang napilian out of hundreds man sa mga applicants?
Like I said man sa akong introduction video nga gin-submit sa application nga, this participation or this award will prove nga ang space hindi lang para sa Western countries or hindi lang para sa mga developed nations. Kag ambal man ni Carlos Gina, we all have a place in space. Kag as someone nga from emerging nations, dako gini nga help para makaspread the word man. Kag more students or more mga young minds ang ma-inspire to pursue careers in space industry man someday.
Okay.
Sige.
Last question.
Oo, kay Carlos, anong gina-look forward ninyo ya? Subong nga school year and last na nimo, no? Nga year? Oo, sa ISATU, para sa ISATU Space Society, Carlos.
We are actually looking forward nga una-una gid ang pagpadayon sang amon nga initiative to spread the word of space kagang kung ano ang imo nga lugar sa space sa mga eskwelahan diri sa Iloilo. And at the same time, we're also continuing our own research man na nag-utilize ng space technologies sa not just in the environment and also in the other aspects nga makabulig sa aton mga communities. And at the same time, we are also looking forward to welcome members man since may are naka BS Meteorology. We are also looking forward nga ma-meet sila kag kung if ever mag-join sila sa ISATU Space Society. And not just sila we are also looking forward sa tanan nga estudyante sang ISATU nga if you are interested kahit ano pa na nga kurso ang ara sa ang imo nga ginikuha sa ISATU, you are still welcome in the space na organization.
You have a space in the Space Society.
Just an idea, ano gani ang mga program ya nga ginabuol sang iba ninyo nga members? Inako pa.
Okay, so we have members po from the Education Department, we have also members from the Biology Department, and also members from the Engineering. So not just mechanical, kami upod ng mga electrical, electronics, and also some of them are also from the Architecture Department.
Nice. Oh, magluwas sa ilang same interest sa may space, ma-incorporate pagid ang iba nilang mga ideas sa iba naman ng mga field bambayan. Si Ma'am Orsana
Ma'am Orsana, sa imo ma'am, bilang co-advisor man, siyempre na-witness mo man kung ano kalidad na mga estudyante. Ano pang goal, ano pang gusto ninyo matabo para sa inyo ng mga estudyante nga nagakuha sa mga degree programs?
Yeah, of course, we're looking forward to have another student in Poland next year, right?
Si Sir Carlos na ina.
Yeah, we're working hard now because Dave has already started it. It has to be sustainable, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you have to encourage, young minds, no? Not only to study your own program, like if you are in civil engineering, every day you do your academics in civil engineering, but there are other, interests in life that you can pursue other than the very profession that you are studying. And as I have said, it takes passion, interest, and discipline, no, to attain what Dave has actually attained at this point in time. So I'm looking forward to, more students who will go into this interest in space education, space science, and space science application, like what Carlos and his group is doing in remote sensing. And we want to popularize this, no? Not only at ISATU, but also at other universities, because as I have said, accessing data through remote sensing using satellite data would be the new normal in the future.
Ang maayagid bambayan kay di they're looking long-term bala bambayan ang ilang ginaplano para hindi lang matapos kay Dave sa International Astronautical Congress. Luwas sa ISATU may ara nga ginpasangkad sa guwa sang university nga pang Iloilo na gid bambayan.
Kung sa Poland, kung ikaw mag-qualify sa Poland, Sir Carlos, makotala ko sang mga greetings nga.
Dobre. Diba? Wala naman sa awan correspondent. Dobre. Baliki kami, sir. Mapa-Poland ikaw. Finally, bambayan kay Sir Dave.
Sir Dave, sa imong bahin naman, as the official representative sang Philippines sa sining International Astronautical Congress. Your message man sa iban nga naga-aspire man to do well sa ilang ginpili nga degree program and to, magkuha sang dako nga space in this beautiful universe in the future. Sir Dave.
Ang advice lang guro is take the risk kag pero man ginambal sa mo ni ma'am nga always be prepared kayo when opportunity comes. Ara lang na maabot ang opportunity, you're always ready to accept that opportunity. Amo ginang permi ginatudlo sa mo ni Ma'am Doresa sa organization man. Kag to end siguro this upcoming August 8 to 14, we are celebrating the Philippine Space Week.
Yes.
And if you want to know more about space science and technology applications here in the country, you may visit man ang pages ng Philippine Space Agency, also the ESATU Space Society and Iloilo Space Organization. And the Philippine Space Agency has a lot of activities in store para sa Philippine Space Week, which is on August 8 to 14. So I hope we will join sa celebration.
Okay. Ma-request lang kami sa imo, Sir Dave, ang uli namon nga pamangkot sa imo. Kung pwede mo masabat in English or in Tagalog para sa mga kabombo naton nga viewers and listeners nga hindi hiligay non-speaking.
Yes, sir.
What's your message sa mga katulad mong nangangarap din na to make a difference sa field na ito, sir?
My message would be to follow your passion, Ged, and work hard on it. Don't be afraid to reach out sa people that could help you and also man maka-support sa imo, and never be afraid to meet new people. Kay when we meet new people, there's connection and networks that could help us man sa aton personal growth.
No.
Hey, sige. Congratulations, Ged Liwat, sa kay Dave and of course sa Bilog ESATU community. And thank you sa pag-upod sa amon sa buong aga. Sir Carlos Jose D. Rivera, ang Vice President sa ESATU Space Society. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, kay Ma'am Rosana Doresa, co-advisor sa ESATU Space Society. Ma'am, thank you so much, Gid.
Salamat man.
And lastly kay Sir Dave, may basi may mga inspiration si Sir Dave nga gusto darating.
Wala, sir. I just want to greet one of my parents kay ginag-abang gina
Yes,
sa radyo
yes.
nila subong. And they were looking forward kay especially akong mother kay permi sa gamamati sa pamburat.
Hello,
And yeah, shout out sa
Lantawa
akong
siya, ma'am.
parents.
Lantawa mo anak sa
Thank you
Facebook,
sa
sa
support.
YouTube. Ano pangalan sang nanay kag tatay mo?
Cynthia and Celso, ma'am.
Si Ma'am Cynthia. Hi, Ma'am Cynthia. Matsagaw daw mo ni Duta si Ma'am Cynthia dahil sa Mina.
Si Sir Dave Louie A. Gumarang from Barangay. Ano kani kayo nagkakabali?
Tularukan
Proud
ni
Tagamina. Kung naman sila sa
Oo.
comment kay Batian
Si Ma'am Rona Gascon Prieto, proud Tagamina.
Oo. Sige, ikaw ya, Ma'am Rosana. Basi may iban ikaw nga gusto man tamyon.
Ang nanay ko sa Lambunaw, gapamati na sa Bombo Radio. Ma'am, I'm here.
Hello!
Crazy.
Hello, Ma'am.
Hello, Ma'am. Ano pangalan sa mo?
Bituin.
Oy, grabe.
Winner na
Bituin.
sa permit kay
Pang space, gid nga mga...
Ikaw ya, Sir Carlos.
Although hindi man wala man sila subong di ka pamati sa Bombo Radio Iloilo, pero ginatamyo ako ginang ako man pamilya sa Capiz, no.
Dito sila.
Taga-Capiz ko yung daan mo. So, kapamati man kami sa Bombo Radio, pero Bombo Radio Rojas lang galing
O, tani nag-tie up to sa Rojas sa mga topic.
Hindi, pwede nila nagyapon mapatihan kag
yes.
malantaw. Love to pambayan. Kay nationwide, worldwide.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Ged. Kaupo
Thank you.
nato nalin sa Iloilo Science and Technology University. Oras sa Bombo Radio Philippines Standard Time, 40 minutos na. Nagaligad sa alas 9 sa aga.
Sa pagpanabalik sa Good Morning Philippines sa Kabombo, mag-check kita sa latest. Subong nga nagkakalay dito sa may Liga Day. Dara sa may Iloilo Sports Complex, Bombo Gisa.
Oo. More than 15,500 ka mga barangay officials dara, including ang mga taga-Mina. Upunta di taga-Mina.
Ay, mga oo.
Magabalik ang Good Morning Philippines, makaligad lang ang pinaka-importante nga mga pahanumdom.
Tas nga saging kabombo, nakahibalo ka bala? Nga ang pili